Yeah, certainly. Disney's our top pick in media right now. We have a $175 price target. And the way we get there is valuing the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus side of the business at 7 times 2024 revenue, discounting it back. And the remaining piece of the business is only trading about 15 times earnings, which we think is reasonable. So, we think there's certainly more upside to go here, and this is just the beginning.
What happens if and when Bob Iger steps away?
Yeah, it's a good question, and I think they're going through that right now. Tom Staggs was the heir apparent before. He has since left the company, and I think it matters how Disney streaming services are going to do, and maybe that could be where the new leader of the business comes from. But certainly Bob leaving the company in 2021, I believe he's been great, and he's been great at making acquisitions, and that's what some of the stuff that you're seeing this weekend on the content side. But he's done Pixar, he's made Lucasfilm acquisitions, and made those work, not necessarily making them. So Bob's been great, but I'm sure there's someone else on the trajectory next.
Bernie, how concerned should I be that Disney stock really played catch up, so to speak, when we got some more details about its streaming service? Again, about $30 a share? And so $30 a share is built on the prospects of the streaming service, and they're going to charge $6.99 or so per subscription. I mean, how much is already built into that stock just simply based on the projections for a streaming service?
Yeah, absolutely. I think what you were seeing before the investor day when the stock was trading at 110, there was a negative value for streaming services in there. This is a company valued on PE, and it was negative earnings right now, or from the streaming services. So now they're actually starting to get some positive value there. Look, the company came out, beat expectations of 60 to 90 million subs globally by 2024. And we have $90 million in our estimates, and we think that could be conservative. So we think that there's still ways to go if they beat expectations.
Why is that conservative? And it's interesting that you said the company beat projection. They beat projections. What? This hasn't happened. I mean, this is nowhere near happening. Yeah, 2024 forecast is, that's way out there.
That's completely fair, but they beat where the buy side was in terms of what they were going to come out with. And so, look, the way we think about what the company can do, we think that they're domestically, at least, which is a 20 to 30 million guide. It's a third of that 60 to 90 million subscribers. And we think that we looked at ticket sales for Star Wars movie, Marvel movie, and Pixar movies, and said that there's 50 million homes that we think they should be able to penetrate that have demonstrated that they want to engage with Disney content prior in the box office, which we think is an indicator that they would like to in the future as well. So only penetrating, about half of those subscribers, we think that's why we think it's conservative and think there could be upside.